Good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm in the passenger seat today. My husband is driving because we're going to the same place, so there was no point taking two cars. I beg, there was literally no point. But hope you guys are doing well. So I have a full face of makeup. I'm on full glam mode today, man. You guys have absolutely no idea. I am on full glam mode today because I'm having a shoot. I know, didn't you just do birthday shoots? I know, but it's not a personal shoot like that. I'm having a shoot today with my crew, so only those people who are on my Instagram will know what I'm talking about. But I'm sure you guys have seen me, do a lot of stuff with three ladies, for the longest, not for the longest time, for the last couple of weeks, I would like to say. So we've been doing a lot of hanging out together. We've been doing a lot of brand collaborations together, and this was not planned at all, guys. This was not planned at all. This was just a case of, some brands wanted to work with some mommy influencers. So it's not enough to just be a mom. They actually want moms who are content creators, who create content for a living. So we've worked with one or two brands together, and in the process, we've just become close. We hang out, we go to places together, we do things together. I remember when we went to the Glamour Girls premiere, somebody actually came to meet us on the red carpet and was like, oh my god, the crew from Moms That Brunch. Moms That Brunch, one of us is the owner of the brand Moms That Brunch. You guys have seen me, attend a couple of events that Moms That Brunch has hosted, so Tengu is the founder of Moms That Brunch. And then the person was like, oh, you guys are the crew from Moms That Brunch. We're like, hey, we are just Moms That Brunch's friends. We are not the crew from here. The Moms That Brunch only has one founder, but it just went to show that a lot of people were beginning to tie the four of us together, and in our heads we were like, O'Shea crew now. They were not like, Soft Life crew, and the name just stuck, Soft Life crew. So even the staycation that we had, you guys would have seen the staycation vlog by now. That was work. I mean, that was the hotel that wanted to work with us together as a group, and it just made sense. We're like, you know what, guys, let's open a page on Instagram. Let's make this whole thing a proper brand, because this one that brands are now coming and saying, I want to work with the four of you. It just makes sense to turn this into a brand. I mean, this is literally collaboration over competition. This is a clear case of women supporting women. We are all content creators in our own rights. We all have our individual pages, our individual jobs that we do and all of that, but as a group it would be nice to have that opportunity, give ourselves that opportunity as well. And that was how I think we even opened that page while we were on staycation. We opened the Soft Life crew page, like joke on Instagram, and people are absolutely loving it. People are absolutely here for it. It has been great. It's just basically a group of four moms who are on a mission to live their best life. That's it. Being a mom is such a tasking thing. I feel like people don't talk about this enough. Being a mom is so tasking. Your whole entire life can get swallowed into being a mom, that at the end of the day, in a couple of years, you would ask yourself, what have I done, aside obviously having children, what have I really done for myself, So the aim, obviously, Moms That Brunch will still be organizing events for moms. She's still going to be doing that, definitely. But we as a crew, four of us now, we want to now be doing things together as a group of four moms, just doing things together, living our best lives and having a good time. Just making out time to, have activities together as moms, taking out time away from husband, from children once in a while, and just do things, for yourself, and just live your best life, basically. We hope to do more things together. We hope to achieve more things together, smash goals together, support one another. That is the whole aim of this thing that we're doing, this brand, this new brand that we formed and everything. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. Today, however, we're gonna be having a photo shoot because we want to do like an introductory. We've been posting stuff on our new page ever since. We don't have like an introductory post to who we are individually, so we decided to do like a professional shoot today, and this man over here is our photographer for today. Thank you so much for sponsoring the Soft Life crew, baby.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. So he's going to be our photographer for today's shoot. My outfit is popping. Like there was a brand that reached out to make outfits for us, so not for the shoot. We were supposed to actually use it for our staycation, but we didn't use it, so we decided to use it for today's shoot instead. Mine is lilac and the pants are purple. You guys will see like a full-on view even when we get to the studio. The other ladies have like different colors as well, and in my head I just know that it's going to be a lovely, beautiful shoot, and I cannot wait to see the finished product. So that is the aim. That's basically it. Just in case you're wondering, maybe you've seen it on Instagram and you're not sure what this is all about, you know, that's basically what it is all about. Super fun. So expect to see, you know, a lot more hangouts with these ladies, because I now belong to a group, more like a brand group. Does that make any sense? So prepare to see more hangouts with them, prepare to see them more on this channel. It is what it is. And yeah guys, that's that. Let's head to the studio and do this shoot, okay? With this outfit.
I thought about it like last week, but then I forgot.
Hi.
Hi, you vlog it today.
Yeah, it's giving. Ooh, the pink. I love it.
Almost color today. This is almost color.
You know now, you stole my color from me, but it's okay. It's okay, no problem. I like my lilac and my purple like that.
This is your second best.
This is my second best.
This is your second best.
I love it.
You're such a girly girl.
I know, right?
There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about their feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Look at our faces are looking like sleep. It's just past 7 on a Saturday and Mia has woken up and is asking me for what? Pancake. See your mouth. You want to eat pancakes this early Saturday morning when I'm supposed to be sleeping. Like weekdays I wake up so early. I wake up like around 6 a.m. to get her things ready for school and, you know, wake her up, give her a bath, get her ready for school. Every day 6 a.m. Today that is Saturday, you're yawning. Today that is Saturday that I was thinking I would sleep until maybe like 9 a.m. or something. Mia Rose has woken up by past 7. Mia. Anyway, we're gonna make pancakes for her. I don't eat this early. As a matter of fact, guys, I don't even eat breakfast these days, to be honest. I eat once most times. I just eat lunch and that's it. One major meal in the daytime and that's it. Can we make pancakes now?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm going to help mommy.
You're going to help mommy. Oh, my princess girl. All right.
Dad is going to wake up.
And Dad is going to wake up. Yeah, Dad is not waking up now. Just leave that one. He's sleeping. This one.
Yay!
You want to make pancake. You go make pancake today.
Sugar.
That's not sugar. That's flour.
Yeah.
Flour, right? I need sugar.
I like sugar.
You don't like sugar, but if you don't put a little bit of sugar, you won't like it. Just a little bit of sugar. All right. It makes you sick. Oh, sugar makes you sick, huh? Is that so? But you can lick lollipop and you can eat chocolate. Chocolate is good. Is that so? So let's see, Mama, what essence are we going to use today? We have vanilla essence. We have condensed milk. We have banana. So which one do we use, Mama? Vanilla or condensed milk or banana? Which one?
Banana.
Banana. All right. We'll use banana then, and we need our baking powder. We need to add a bit of milk in it. I need 1 egg. When we're done, we'll put syrup on the pancake.
Can I help you? Can I use this one? Sugar makes you sick.
Oh, thank you, girl.
So I'll eat this more time.
One more time. Okay. Good.
Food.
Good girl.
Yummy.
Yummy.
It's like banana.
We've not even added the banana essence yet, and you're already smelling banana. You're already smelling banana. You're just hungry, Mama. Now hunger they worry you. So let's break the egg now and add the banana essence into it.
Yay.
All right.
Wow. It smells banana. It's so yum.
Banana? Yeah.
Wow. It looks so yum.
So you think we're gonna add a little bit of water? A little bit more water. What's that?
It's syrup.
The syrup. Can I see it, please?
Okay. It's cold.
It's so cold, huh?
It's pouring.
It's not pouring.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it on top of this place here.
Okay.
Keep it right there. No, make it stand, baby.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I
Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love. Watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment. I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go. 'Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down.
You guys.
Yes.
Hey, let me. My mom just said something that shocked the hell out of me.
Oh my God.
Mommy, we were just about something, you guys. Just about jealous people and all of that. and she said something. Hey, mommy, please say it again. Hold on. Let me put it on your face very well. What did you say, mommy?
No, now we're just gisting now. Talking about envious people, you know, people thinking they will be in one place and they will never leave that place. Now. So I now said yes now. If the last, everybody go chop breakfast.
Jesus Christ!
Last, everybody go chop breakfast.
Jesus,
yes, according to Burna Boy.
Where you let this thing from, mommy?
According to Burna Boy. You don't like that Burna Boy.
Hey! Mommy!
Last, everybody go chop breakfast. Mama, it shocked you.
It shocked me, oh! It shocked me, die! Jesus, this woman.
Oh my God!
And the way she just said it, as if no.
Before that is saying only office and church. I don't know what is trending. Office, church. like when you will ask me, mommy, how is office and how is church?
Oh my goodness!
Yes, now.
Hey! Mommy, but now what for you?
It shocked you.
You just be doing as if you don't know what's happening.
I knocked you off, Mama.
I swear that I was not expecting it. I'm telling you. Hey! Oh my God! I wish Jesse was here to hear this.
Jesse with his mouth would have been a gift.
Wow, Mom. This woman. She said Hi, Mom. See.
Oh my God.
Person supposed to fear you. Person supposed to fear you, I swear.
It just came out without
I swear, I was not expecting that at all. It just dropped.
You never expected it.
I never expected it. Oh my goodness. Kai.
My dear. Once in a while, I just, listen to
what is trending.
Listen to what is trending.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Chai.
Listen to what is trending.
Oh, Mom. So apparently, one of you saw my mom somewhere in Abuja at a funeral, and you walked up to her. You are a guy, just in case you are watching. You walked up to her and said, finally, you've met her. You're Alma's mom, right? And she said yes. And he said his wife watches my channel because of my mom. Not because of me, because of my mom. Oh God, mommy, maybe we should put channel for you at this point.
I told you.
Your life is so
busy.
My mom is too busy.
And I then I did like this.
Hey, come on. Yeah.
Remember, I danced.
Hi guys. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So this is literally a day after my birthday and I'm still reeling in so much excitement. Guys, I had an amazing birthday celebration. Like, you guys have absolutely no idea. I had such a great birthday celebration. I feel like my birthday couldn't have gone any better because it was everything I wanted and more, to be honest. I had an amazing time with my ladies. I had a good brunch. There was a lot of food, there was a lot of drinking, there was a lot of networking and laughter and happy tears and happy moments. I'm so happy that I have some amazing ladies in my corner, and I feel like my birthday just reminded me about how many people that I actually have in my corner. Above all, social media was going haywire with my photographs, my birthday video. Everybody was reposting, my phone was buzzing every millisecond. It was very overwhelming, but at the same time I'm just like, oh my God, the love was pouring left, right and center. So much love on social media, and I'm still yet to even start replying comments because the comments choke. There are plenty. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering what this is on my neck, I burnt myself on my birthday while I was trying to thong my hair. I burnt myself with my coiler, so just in case you're wondering. But yeah guys, it was a very lovely day. To think that I didn't even want to do anything for this birthday, to think I didn't even want to do a shoot, I didn't want to do this, I didn't want to do that, but everything still turned out amazing, and I'm super grateful. Thank you all so much for your love, for your comments, for your well wishes, for your prayers. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Here on YouTube, on Instagram, my friends, my family, like Omo, I felt like a queen. I felt like a queen that day, you know. Also, at my birthday brunch, you guys will know this already, I had 3 of my subscribers come celebrate with me, Nenye, Somi, and Erima. If you're watching this, thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. It means the world to me, and I hope you guys had an amazing time, even though they said they had an amazing time, but let me still ask. Hope you guys had an amazing time. But very quickly, I want to show you guys very quickly my birthday gifts haul, because every single woman that came to that birthday came with something, and that was the part that even blew me away the most when it came to my birthday. Let me quickly show you guys what I got for my birthday. Let's start from the very big gift. There was a very big gift that came. Let's start from there. Yes. Oh my god, guys. So let me give you guys a little backstory of this suitcase. Myself and my crew, myself, Tengu, Princess, and Nena, we recently went on a staycation. You guys would have seen that, you know, in the last vlog or the last 2 vlogs or something. The luggage that we used for our staycation was sponsored by Peridot Bags. They were given to us for free, and we were asked to keep them and all of that. And I was asked to actually choose between the box I eventually chose and this pink one. If you know me, you know I love pink. Pink is my absolute favorite color. But the only reason why I didn't choose this pink one and I went with the black one instead was because this pink one is more like a hand luggage, right? And the black one was more like a bigger box. And in my head, I'm just like, I'd rather go with a bigger box, okay, if it's sponsored, than go with this. And maybe I'll go sometime and go and buy this, because I actually do need this. I don't really have like hand luggage, so I'm like, I really need this. And the color again was entering my eye. In fact, I almost bought this luggage the day I went to pick up that black box from the store, but I didn't buy it. And I remember telling my girls, I need to go back and buy that box, because I've not been able to sleep. I've been thinking about that box in my head and everything. Long story short is that Tengu, okay, Princess came, Nena came. Nena was first, Princess came afterwards. But Tengu came with this. Like when I saw her with this, I literally teared up. I cried. Yes, I cried. I don't even know if that was captured on camera. I wept. I cried because for me, it's not even just about the gifts. For me, it's about the thoughts. It's about I have ladies in my corner who listen and who are detailed. In fact, Tengu wasn't telling me, don't worry, we'll go next week and go and pick it up. Hopefully to still be there when you want to buy it. These girls went behind my back, 3 of them, and they bought this for me. Like, it's just the absolute sweetest thing, the absolute, like, I don't even know what words to describe it, but it was so thoughtful, and I didn't have a choice but to cry. I cried right there. And anyway, let me not cry again. But yes, I have this, and it was given to me by my girls, Tengu, Princess, and Nena. Thank you again. This means a lot to me. Here is to more trips, more travels, more staycations. Okay, next I got this bag from Jennifer Okolo. If you are watching, she's also a YouTuber, and she came bearing gifts. Jennifer doesn't do anything that is small. All Jennifer's things are big. So when I saw her coming in here, first of all, she came late, but when I saw her with this big bag, I could not be angry with her again. There's a bottle of alcohol, because of course, who don't like alcohol? Well, I like alcohol. And then there was this. When I saw this logo, I was like, yes, Fashion Nova, because to be honest, I don't have anything from Fashion Nova. I have never bought anything from Fashion Nova. I've never shopped there before. And she came with this. This lovely, I don't know if my camera is washing it out, but it's this lovely white quilted purse. And this is so right up my alley right now, because to be honest, I have been wanting to buy a white bag. I don't have any white bag in my stash, and I've been saying, oh my god, I actually don't need a white bag, and here I am now. I have a white bag thanks to Jennifer from Fashion Nova. Thank you so much, Jennifer. This means a lot. Thank you. Then I got this bag from Julieta. Julieta is the owner of, well, Juliet is the owner of Julieta Hair Collection, and she was the one that slayed my hair for my birthday shoot, and it was the same hair I carried for my birthday brunch and all that. So she was at my birthday brunch. I invited her, and she came with this bag, and in the bag this looks really dope. This is like a French product. Everything here is in French, okay? Everything here is in French. Then she got me a bunch of face sheath masks, because of course self-care is key. She got me 3 sheet masks and this for my birthday. Thank you so much, Juliet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're amazing. Then my friend Adacha from Dachi.ng. You guys may remember her from my Dubai vlog because we all went to Dubai together. She's the owner of Dachi.ng and she came bearing this, okay, of course. And everything in here just smells so good. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't even want to open it right now because I don't think I'm ready to use it. But I know that there's a candle in here, there's a diffuser in here, there's a body wash. There are tea light candles in here as well. Tea light candles, scented candles, body wash, diffuser. It all smells super duper amazing. Thank you, my darling Adacha. And she still did something extra for me too for my birthday, which I don't think I want to say on camera, but thank you so much, darling. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then my darling friend Oge also literally shopped from Dutch because she and Dutch are friends as well. So she shopped from Dutch for me and she gave me this for my birthday, this nice cute black bag from Dutch, and inside it is this lovely box. Like, guys, how luxurious does this look? So pretty. Oh, so nice. Oh, wow. In it is a scented candle and a reed diffuser. You guys know I love anything that has to do with scents. Like, if you want to get me, just get me a gift that has to do with any scents. You've gotten me. So this is from my darling friend Oge. Thank you, baby. I love you. I love you, love you, love you. This bag, I got this bag from my darling friend Wura of Wura.ng, and Wura gave me this cute purse right here, this cute pink purse, my favorite color, and it has the letter M, okay, on it, and I feel like this M should stand for Mama Mia or Mia, whichever one. But yeah, she got me this purse, and then she got me this lovely, lovely, lovely cute earrings. Thank you so much, my darling. I got these 2 bags from my subbies that came for my birthday brunch. This one I got from Nenye Eze, if you're watching. And inside the bag is this lovely mug. Like, when I saw this mug, I was just like, oh my god, so pretty. This will make me want to drink more tea and just drink more things basically in the mug. So yeah, she got me this mug. I really, really love it, guys. Like, it's really, really, really cute. I love it. And then there's also a card inside as well. So thank you so much, Nenye. Then this one, I got it from Fit Boss Somi. If you're watching, Fit Boss Somi, I thought that our dress code was something blue. Everybody that came was supposed to wear something blue. Somi came in her athleisure set as the fit boss that she is, with no blue except on her nails. Like, she had blue nail polish on her nails, and that was her something blue. But she came in a full athleisure set, and she got me this. And I know that she had reached out to me before to say that she sells blue light sunglasses, and she wanted to send me some. But I was thinking, oh, I already have one that I'm using. Well, she still went ahead and gave me one as a birthday gift. So it came in this really cute case, so pretty, like so pretty. It has like the glasses cleaner, and these are the glasses. Let me wear them. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, these are so pretty. I love the frames so much. The frames are so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sumi. Guys, go check her out. I think she has these for sale, so please go check her out. These are amazing, very nice. I love the frames, my god. Yeah, guys, look at that. So pretty. Like, look at the frames. So gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sumi. I would cherish this and cherish this and cherish this. So yeah, I think those are like all the physical gifts that I actually got. I got 2 surprise cakes, okay? I got 2 surprise cakes, one from my darling friend Hamsatu of MissCakes.ng. She came with this lovely, beautiful cake. You guys would have seen it in the vlog. Nice cream colored cake with some pink stuff and some cream dry flowers. Like, amazing. And of course, it tasted heavenly. I still have some of it left. It tasted amazing. Thank you so much, my darling friend. I love you. And I also got a surprise cake from one of my subscribers. I know you don't want your name mentioned, but thank you so much. Thank you. I love you as well. I had a friend also who actually bought a wine in the restaurant for all of us to toast with right there in the restaurant. Like, the love was just overwhelming, guys. The love was so overwhelming. I have a subscriber also who reached out to me on Instagram 12 midnight on my birthday and sent me a $50 Shein gift card. Like, amazing, right? A $50 Shein gift card. Amazing. Thank you so much. You know yourself. I love you. Thank you. Please give me a birthday gift by subscribing to my channel if you love my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
Good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this